My name is Jason Kemp, and I'm a grad student at the University of Victoria. One of the courses I'm currently enrolled in is Social Media and Personalized Learning for Teachers. One of the assignments is to participate in open education activities. We will look at 5 activities that I chose to start my open learning journey. The first activity that I participated in was a massive open online course through Coursera called Blended Learning: Personalizing Education for Students. This was the first time participating in a MOOC. There were 11,000 students registered with 6 instructors. This course offered discussion forums, weekly lectures, weekly resources, assignments, quizzes, and even peer-graded assignments. I liked that you could choose what parts of the course you wanted to participate in. There was lots of information on each topic, and you got to go at your own pace and completed the course on your own timeline. Most of the resources are left up so that you can check in and use the resources later, even after the course is finished. The second activity was a recording of Alec Couros' keynote from Fusion 2013, Identity, Networks, and Connected Learning. It was nice that this activity was recorded, as I was able to choose when and where I wanted to participate in this activity. I was also able to go at my own pace and stop the recording to reflect and not miss any other parts. The third activity that I participated in was an online session titled Moving Beyond the Newsletter: How Schools Are Using Technology to Meet the Parents Where They Are. This was an interactive session on Blackboard Collaborate led by Chris Weger. This session was part of the Fall Leadership Conference for PAC. Some of the participants were in Kelowna at the conference, while some others, like myself and one of my classmates, joined in online. It allowed us to participate either by chiming in over our mic, or we could participate through the chat window. My fourth activity started when one of my PLN members posed a question about FIPA and how schools are getting consent from parents to use web tools that are not housed in Canada. Then grew into a discussion on Twitter, which led us to create a Google Doc where we shared some of our consent forms. This discussion started between 2 people, but by the end we had 10 people collaborating on the same topic, all because of Twitter. The fifth learning activity was a webinar hosted by Scientific Learning called Reading for Meaning: The Role of Deep Practice. I tried to participate live with 2 of my colleagues during our lunch period, but couldn't get a good enough internet connection, so we chose to watch the recording later. We stopped the recording a few times to discuss ideas. It was nice to have people I knew with me, and we were able to have those discussions instantly. It also worked out better to be able to stop the recording instead of having a live session go on. This video was created using Movely. If you're interested in hearing more about my open learning experiences, follow me on Twitter at Mr. J. Kemp, or read my blog, edtech.uvic.ca/kempj. Hope you enjoyed the presentation.